that's the first poem I like. What he
Ji.
and again the simplicity of it. And,
Right.
So when I was thinking about how to execute and how to make a tune, I felt that it could start as a very simple song in a house,
Ji.
and it could probably relate to female empowerment, you know, the end of it. So that's the video which we're trying to make, very exciting video. And so I wanted Lataji to sing this,
क्या बात है.
the song, and it's almost like a blessing to all the daughters of India. And of course I'm going to sing along with her. And okay, so that song is yet to be done,
Yes.
but we have his poem. We could probably talk about the next song, which
Absolutely. Absolutely.
this tune is a very, very slow tune. If I had played to any director in movies, they would have said, no, I don't want that tune, it's too slow. So I was wanting to do a video which could really, really complement it.
Absolutely.
And I was looking at the paintings of Raja Ravi Verma and said, what if these paintings come alive with our main hero and heroine? So we did the shoot last week.
Ji.
Muzammal sitting here, plays
Yami and Muzammal
the
did it.
warrior, and
Yes.
Yami Gautam was playing there.
It was
And then
absolutely
Janita is singing.
right.
And
और
my boys out in Chennai have a team now, visual team, who are working closely with me. It's Amit Krishnan and Adi and Vijay.
I see.
So we work together and hope you like this video. And then he has to do movies which I like. No, we worked already together.
Yes.
And the music had been hit, Yuvraj, and I think there's always a life is a cycle. We'll do something extraordinary together, hopefully. All the songs were done for lyrics. And don't ask me how I understand the lyrics. No, I think I was at a state of mind when I met Mustaqbal Saab, where I was traveling, I was doing English movies, I was doing a very dark movie. So when I heard those lyrics, it brightened me up. It was very simple, it was from the heart, and it had an emotion in it. So I didn't think much. I was not very careful about what I should do. I said, let me do something. And everybody was complaining that I was doing very less work in Hindi. So I thought this would be an interesting one where we can do beautiful melodies and more lyrical rather than... So even the orchestration, when you see this, very less orchestration and more concentrating on the voice and the lyrics and the tune. Now, My Jai Ho was done for a different reason. I think he had a different title, and the title was owned by our company to protect people misusing it abroad. We gave an NOC for that, and it was peace. No problems with that.
रहमान साहब.
इसके बारे में जरा मैं भी कुछ बोल दूं कि जब रहमान साहब का गाना जय हो को अवार्ड मिला तो गुलजार साहब के लिरिक्स थे, तो गुलजार साहब से मेरी नज़दीकी दोस्ती भी है. तो जब मैंने अपनी अंग्रेज़ी की बुक लॉन्च की पोएम्स की, तो पहली बार मैंने हिंदी में पहली कविता मैंने लिखी जिसका टाइटल था किस किस की जय हो, और वो मैंने गुलजार साहब को दी.
Ladli actually started like a very simple song which should sing for a daughter, and then I felt like we've heard those kind of songs before as a tune, and then I wanted to take it further, and then it evolved into something else, which happens when you live with something. Then you feel like it could be better. So even for this tune, the Kismat Se tune which Shreya Ghoshal sang, I tried 9 versions and I froze this 10th version. So it was more likable by everyone. I think it's the way I'm working is so crazy. I don't even know where I get up. Every 2 days I'm in one country, and I'm so glad that I was able to pull off and it's definitely because of inspiration of the lyrics and Sony Music, support of Sony Music, and so I just want you to support this album, and it's going to be out in probably 3-4 weeks. We'll finish it. And thank you very much. God bless you.